Welcome back to new exercise in SolidWorks. This is a basic model. So let's start to create, and here we will make with the help of this 3D drawing isometric view. So here this is our isometric view. Now we will start with base. Now see base, this end there is a circular profile and that radius 35, diameter 70. Now the second end there is a two circular profile, half circle, radius 15, see this end also, and at center there is a one extruded body 10-20 diameter and this thickness 10 and this base flange thickness 7. So first we will make 7, then we will make extrude this little more, this diameter 20 and this thickness 10 millimeters. So first we will extrude, then we will extrude this extra body. Then at center there is one more extruded body 30 diameter, see this circle, and this height you will see from here 88 from bottom, okay, 88 from bottom. So let's make this. And yes, the center distance, see this whole center distance 55, the second one also 55, and this is in one line. See here, you will see. Now first we have to select here units, millimeter. Now let's start to choose any plane which is suitable. So top plane is the better option, even though you can directly choose extruded boss base feature. Now here let me choose top plane. Now activate circle tool. Now the first circle 35 radius into 270 millimeter. Now I'll show you one more feature. Select center, activate center line, draw one center line, escape. Now choose dynamic mirror and select this line. Now whatever things we are going to make in one side, it will reflect other side. Let's say activate circle. Now this diameter 30. Look, it's reflect on other side. Activate line tool. Connect. See, it reflects in other side. Select this line vertical relation. Look. Now out of this dynamic mirror, activate line tool, connect with this line, and again activate circle tool. Center also the same diameter 30 millimeter, but these are in one line, so I'll choose these two center point of these two circles horizontal. Activate smart dimension tool. Now this distance from this end to this end 100 millimeter. Now distance from here to this line, center distance say 55 millimeter. Look, again activate circle and let me draw two more circles, 20, escape key to out. Now hold shift key and select both the circle and leave mouse, leave key, and you will see a small window pop up here or at right left bottom, equal constraint. See, this is fully defined sketch. If I am going to say exit, now see it is automatically going to extrude because there are too many close profile. So you have to choose in selected contour, you have to choose one by one all. Sketch is same, end condition blind, and how much depth, first is 7. Now let's define the things which is we need to make. Now still it is pink, means some error is there, so let's I am going to choose these all. Center one, even though you can left, but let's say delete also, it's not going to affect, but if I am leaving this there will be a problem, so let's keep this one as it is. 7 millimeter. Okay. Now again click on the same sketch, extrude. This time I am going to choose in selected contour this one, this circle, center circle, this circle, and the depth and condition 10 millimeter, because this is 3 millimeter away from here and this is 10 millimeter. Keep results merge, say yes. Look. Now again I am going to select extruded boss base. Now in selected contour I am going to choose this one. See, this is, we are going to extrude this only, and end condition 88. Now mean start condition keep same as the plane. Look, let's make this circle 44 diameter and depth 23 from this face, then 28 millimeter away from the center line of this we will create this body, this radius 10 and 10 millimeter is the distance, and there is a machine thread M10 into 1.5 20, and this is throughout a hole up to this body. We will make this, and we will create these holes. See, 30 diameter holes, then 12 diameter holes and 18 diameter holes. So let's try this sketch. Now 44, go to feature and select extruded boss base and keep end condition 23 millimeter, blind 23 millimeter, plane this is already selected, merge result. Now right plane, go to drop down the reference geometry plane and here put distance 28 millimeter. See, it's going to create a plane 28 millimeter, say yes. Now choose this plane, sketch. Now let me activate line tool. I'm going to clear with line tool. Go back to the point and see it's automatically convert into arc. Just make a closed geometry. Okay, let's define this 20, 10, hold shift key and select the center point vertical. See, this is fully defined sketch. Now let's see how to extruded boss base, reverse, and here end condition keep to next. See, it's going to fix only up to this face, say yes. Look, click hide. Now here we have to create all the planes, so either we have option to make one by one choose all the faces separately and create, or otherwise let's go back side. Sketch. Now first circle, activate circle tool 30. Now here the second circle, this is 12. Now here we have one more circle and that is 18. Now hold shift key, select this origin point and this point vertical. Now this is fully defined sketch. Activate extruded cut feature. See, all selected, isometric view. Now here choose end condition through all. Look, all going to cut. That's it. Whole wizard. Now here click this straight tab. Metric, tap bottoming hole. We want a straight hole with thread. Now here already we selected 10 into 1.5 thread. Now end condition is next, means it's going to cut up to the inside wall and thread also up to inside wall. Now here I am going to choose this cosmetic threads I want to show here, so just click with thread callout and rest all keep as it is. Now show position, click on this face and just press somewhere like here, click smart dimension and just define the dimension 10 millimeter. Escape key and hold shift key and select this one and origin point. Vertical relation. Now this is fully defined sketch. Check isometric view. It's going to cut up to inside wall. Look. Now you will see the symbol of major and minor diameter. Just go to option, documents property, detailing, shaded cosmetic thread. Okay. Now you will see thread. That's it. Now it's time to add fillet ribs 8 millimeter. This is lies at center, here also 8 millimeter. And if I am going to choose see section view, see this is lies from this corner to here and the depth 42. Here is mentioned this depth 42. And here also it is going to coincide with this upper point, not bottom point, upper point. See here. So first right plane, sketch, line and connect from here to here somewhere. Hold shift key, select the outer edge and this point coincide. Dimension 42. Go to feature and activate rib. Now see. Now this direction is downward. Depth 8 millimeter. And here condition we keep both sides. So we want to move in both sides. Say yes. Look. Now for creating rib here we have to create first plane. So I am going to choose front plane. Temporary activate temporary axis. Plane. Now this one already selected. In second reference I am going to choose this plane. Look. Parallel. See here. Say yes. Now select, now hide this temporary axis. Now select this plane, sketch, line. Now this is going to start from here to here. See, this is fully defined, no need to define, but still there is a catch because it's difficult to create rib on circular face. Now here both the ends are circular. So let me try and show you. Thickness we will meet both side, 8 millimeter, direction also perfect towards body. Say okay. Now it shows it is not exist or something like some errors. So what we will do, let's add one little line, extrude this line to here, let's say 1 mm. Escape. Because this is circular face, it is not going to create a straight like this. This is still a difficult things in, still a kind of bug in SolidWorks. Rib. Now this time 8 millimeter, both side, direction also towards body. Say okay. Look, it's created. See, these points, center point is meet with this circle, but these are the things which is we have to apply or little extend inside. Click and hide. Now let's mirror this. Click mirror. Now plane, right plane. This is the reference plane. Mirror to feature. I'll choose this. Say OK. It's mirror. Look. Solid color, let's say green. So this is a simple tutorial for the beginners, those who want to learn SolidWorks. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Sorry, we forgot to add corner fillet, so click on this edge, fillet. Keep and fillet type constant size fillet. Here select show selection toolbar, tangent propagation, full preview, symmetric 10 millimeter. And here also you will find something like this, see, 10 millimeter symmetric, say yes. Thanks for watching.